The World Bank, in its latest report titled India Poverty and Equity Brief, has commended India for making remarkable strides in poverty reduction and employment generation. Simultaneously, initiatives like Skill India and Startup India have attempted to shift the narrative from job seeking to job creation, especially among the youth. Namaskar, I Satyuk Upadhyay welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I will tell you about how India's poverty declined. At a time when the country is grappling with the grief of recent Pahalgam terror attack, a glimmer of hope has emerged from the global stage. The World Bank, in its latest report titled India Poverty and Equity Brief, has commended India for making remarkable strides in poverty reduction and employment generation. According to the report, extreme poverty, defined as living on less than $2.15 a day, has plummeted from 16.2% in 2011-12 to a mere 2.3% in 2022-23. Achievement is not just a statistical success but a profound socio-economic transformation, much of which has taken place during the past decade under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This impressive drop in poverty is reflective of a combination of sustained economic growth, targeted welfare schemes, digital governance, and rural empowerment. When the Modi government assumed office in 2014, it inherited a sluggish economic and a public service delivery system riddled with leakages and inefficiencies. The focus from day one was on empowering the poor not through doles but through dignity, opportunity, and the access to basic services. The flagship Jan Dhan Yojana, which brought millions of previously unbanked Indians into the formal financial system, laid the groundwork for a new era of direct benefit transfer, thereby eliminating middlemen and ensuring that subsidies reaches the intended beneficiaries. Rural electrification, access to sanitation through Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the distribution of free LPG connection under Ujjwala Yojana, and the construction of Pakka houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has together significantly improved the quality of life for the poor. These schemes not only addressed multidimensional poverty but also had ripple effects of health, education, and productivity. In fact, the World Bank's report underscores how rural India, often considered the epicenter of poverty, has seen a disproportionate share of poverty reduction due to these focused interventions. Perhaps the most transformative impact came from the Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, MNREGA, which was streamlined and digitally monitored under the Modi government. It ensured livelihood security while promoting assets creation in villages. Simultaneously, initiatives like Skill India and Startup India have attempted to shift the narrative from job seeking to job creation, especially among the youth. Employment growth outpacing the working age population, as highlighted by the World Bank, is an outcome of these structural shifts. Reforms in labor law, promotion of ease of doing businesses, and investment in infrastructure have further contributed to creating an enabling environment for formal job growth. The COVID-19 pandemic poses a major challenges to these gains, yet the government shifts response through the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, which provided for free food, grains, and cash support to the poor, helped prevent a slide back into poverty for millions. Additionally, the PM Swanidhi scheme for street vendors and the expansion of the health insurance net under Ayushman Bharat proved to be critical buffers during the crisis. Moreover, the emphasis on data-driven governance, Aadhaar integration, and the Jam Dhan Aadhaar Mobile Trinity has enabled real-time policy interventions and ensured that social safety nets are responsive and efficient. These kinds of digital public infrastructure has allowed India to innovate and deliver welfare at scale, something few developing nations have managed with similar effectiveness. The World Bank's findings are thus a testament to the fact that poverty eradication is not just about redistributive policies but about empowering individuals through systematic reforms, economic opportunity, and state capacity. India's success story, particularly over the last 10 years, showcases what is possible when governance is people centric, technology driven, and rooted in long term vision. While challenges remains, the country's journey from 16.2 to 2.3% in extreme poverty is a milestone worth celebrating and an encouraging sign that India is steadily moving towards its goal of becoming a developed nation. This is it for today. For more such update, stay tuned to Uday India.